Renzo from Di Bartoli. Today we're going to unbox the Synchronika II, the latest version of the ECM Synchronika double boiler rotary pump. You can see it very well packed there. So we're going to start by taking this little box in here, which is the first box, and we're having a look what is come with the machine. So we have our hose for plumbing in. We have a very good commercial tamper. Then as well we're going to have our little drain box for hose to plumbing it in, so for your drainage. Then we got our single basket with our handle, ECM, so branded in there, as well as our double one branded as well. Now we have as well our line filter, a little brush to clean around, and we have this little thing in here, which is actually is for your tray. With your tray here too. Let me have a look, take it out. So we have our tray with a little tray on the top for store cups as well. So what are we going to do now? We're going to put all this aside, and we're going to take the machine out of the box. We're going to put it in this other table and start having a look what's going on with that machine. Put it here to the side. All right, this is nice and heavy, so be careful with your bag. Put this one in here. Okay. Opa! This comes with a nice cover to protect the machine. Up. Now let's look at the back first, the machine. All right. So we got the ECM logo in there as well. Where you can see in here at the bottom, this is where you put your hose to plumb it in. So when you plumb it in, you can make a hole in the bench, and then you got your water filter. Now the front is of the machine. There. So I'm putting this one in here, as you can see. So now you got a fast open and close it. Then you got your steam, your coffee lever, and your hot water, as well as you got your water tank in here with your tank with a sensor. So once you run out of water, the machine will be switched off itself. Now with the new ECM II, everything is done by this little knob in here. So you just move it, and you will find everything inside in the little display in here. Let's go and put some water, and let's give it a try. Okay. Okay, now we have our full water tank. You can see the sensor on the side in here. So now we're going to put it inside and slice it. Oopa, done. Then switch on and off. Okay. And like I say, everything, all the displays come from here. So whatever is happening, the machine will tell you minute by minute what is happening at the time. So the moment we just filling it up the boiler, right? From there we will start heat up. Now, what is the machine has that the number one version doesn't have? The fast heating time. Fast heating time is 6.5 minutes to heat up the group head, which is the priority, being an espresso machine, to nice and hot. So it will be produce a better coffee. Now from there, basically we're going to start waiting. As you can see, now already start preheating the water. Done. Now we're going to wait and see what is going to occur. So, ECM Synchronika II rotary pump, double boiler, all that. So its ability of having one boiler for coffee, one boiler for steam. So as well, that gives us the option of steaming. Water for coffee. As well as hot water for a long black. And the machine refills automatic. Then let's go in a second, we're going to have a look at other things. Again, like I say, this one is a quick heat up time, 6.5 minutes, heats up your group head, and then it takes the second part on heating up the steam for your milk boiler. Okay, see you soon.